Next, I like to just fit the end caps in loosely to get a finished dimension on my final cover piece. End cap slides in there. End cap slides in here. And I will take my tape measure and measure the distance between the end caps. My measurement is 62.5 inches right to the end cap. I'll cut it about a ½ inch less for expansion and contraction. So 62 inches will work. You can easily trim our covers with a battery-operated Sawzall, hand hacksaw, any way you feel comfortable cutting it. So I'll measure out 62 inches. Put a line there. Brush off the dust. And when you go to snap the cover in, grab it as wide as you feel comfortable. Put the top lip against the wall and slowly push down, making sure the top is behind each bracket. Once you feel the top is clipped on each bracket, you can go ahead and lock the cover down. Make sure the cover is locked to the bottom of each bracket, like it is, and the snap caps finish it off very nicely. There you have it, folks. Nice and simple, ease of installation.